Good morning. My name is Fernand Thibault. I'm PhD student in Engineering Laboratory of Organometallic and Molecular Materials. Today I'm going to talk to you about my work on the synthesis and characterization of organic-inorganic hybrid compound. Organic inorganic hybrid compound are nanocomposites prepared by combining organic and inorganic building blocks. The development of such materials have been motivated by their physical property that found many applications in fields like gas adsorption, energy storage, optic nonlinear, and catalysis. Last year, several classes of hybrid organic-inorganic materials have been synthesized. Among them, we are hybrid metal sulfate, hybrid metal phosphate, hybrid metal phosphate, and hybrid metal hypophosphate. In these materials, organic building blocks used are generally nitrogen compounds like ethylene-diamine, trans-diaminocyclohexane, and orthophenylene-diamine. These organic parts can be acting as templates or ligand. Our works are focused on the synthesis and characterization of hybrid metal sulfate materials. This class of materials are known for their application in catalysis and optics. In this presentation, I'm going to talk to you about the synthesis and the structural analysis of the new hybrid nickel sulfate compound with trans-diaminocyclohexane acting as structure directing agent. This presentation will take place according to the following plan. Hybrid organic-inorganic nickel sulfate compound have been synthesized in aqueous solution containing hypophosphorus acid, nickel sulfate, and trans-diaminocyclohexane. The suitable crystals for X-ray analysis have been obtained by slow evaporation. In order to establish crystal structure of this compound, infrared analysis have been made. This shows the bond that confirms the presence of water of crystallization, trans-diaminocyclohexane, and sulfate group. The characterization by X-ray diffraction show that this hybrid compound crystallizes in the monoclinic system with the following parameters. The X-ray analysis revealed that the asymmetric unit of this compound is made of one trans-diaminocyclohexane molecule, one free water molecule, 6 coordinated water molecule, one nickel atom and one sulfate group. The nickel atom is located on special position, the center of inversion, which is described by Wyckoff position 2a. This atom is coordinated by 6 water molecules and gives rise to the nickel hexaaqua octahedron. The bond length distortion calculated indicates that octahedrons have a moderate distortion. The sulfur atom is located on general position, described by Wyckoff position 4a. This atom is coordinated by 4 oxygen atoms to form the sulfate tetrahedron. The nickel hexaaqua octahedron, the sulfate tetrahedron, and the free water molecules are connected through H-O-O hydrogen bonding and giving rise to the inorganic anionic supramolecular layer, which contains 8 membered rings and 10 membered rings. Organic building block trans-diaminocyclohexane deprotonated reside in supramolecular cavities and connected inorganic network via NH-O hydrogen bonding and giving rise to the hybrid supramolecular layer. The thermal analysis show that this compound loses coordinated and free water molecules between 15 and 200 degrees Celsius. The thermal degradation of organic building trans-diaminocyclohexane takes place between 215 and 400 degrees Celsius. The new hybrid organic-inorganic nickel sulfate compound with trans-diaminocyclohexane acting as structure directing agent has been synthesized by slow evaporation in aqueous solution. Each crystal structure has been determined by X-ray diffraction. The crystal structure consists of isolated polyhedron which connects through hydrogen bond. This association results in a porous framework where locate the organic molecules trans-diaminocyclohexane. The infrared analysis confirms the presence of different entities which form the hybrid compound. The thermal analysis showed that beyond 15 degrees Celsius the total compound decomposes. Thank you for your attention.